In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Xbox account to Epic Games. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So first of all, obviously you will need to head over to epicgames.com and log into your account. Once you have logged into your Epic Games account, you'll be on this page here. And from here, you will need to go to the top right hand corner to your username, hover over your username and then select account. Once you select account, you'll be redirected over to your settings page. So from here, what you need to do is come to the left hand side bar here and scroll down until you find connections. Click on the connections tab and then you'll be brought to here. And from here, you'll need to select accounts. Once you select accounts, as you can see, there is many different things that you can connect to your Epic Games. And one of them is Xbox. So if you click on connect right there, what that will do is it will redirect you over to this page. And from here, all you simply need to do is click on link account. Once you click on link account, it will redirect you over to Microsoft so you can log in. And then once you have logged in, as you can see, you'll be on this page. And all you simply need to do is click on yes. Once you click on yes, this will link your Xbox account to Epic Games. And as you can see now, my Xbox account has now been linked to my Epic Games account. So that's how you can go ahead and link Xbox to Epic Games.